An interesting question, concept tested as reminders. A number when divided by a divisor leaves a remainder of 24. When twice that number is divided by the same divisor, we get a remainder of 11. What we need to find out is the value of the divisor. Let's start by decoding statement 1. A number when divided by a divisor leaves a remainder of 24. Let's say the number is A, let the divisor be D, let the quotient of this division be X. So picked an A, divided it by D, we said the quotient is equal to X and the remainder is equal to 24. So A is going to be equal to dx plus 24. This is writing this entire division in the standard framework. The starting point for a lot of questions in reminders is going to be writing this in the standard framework. Let's recap and capture it in a printed form. A divided by D, quotient is X, remainder is 24. So we've written it in its standard framework of A is equal to dx plus 24. So get comfortable writing it in the standard framework. Let's decode the second statement. It says when twice the original number, we said A is a number, so twice the original number is going to be 2A. When 2A is divided by D, the remainder is equal to 11 is what the question says. The last slide, we captured the information that we can write this A in its standard framework of division as dx plus 24. So 2A eventually will become 2 times right hand side. So this is going to be 2dx plus 2 times 24, which is equal to 48. We are dividing 2A by a D, which is the same as dividing 2dx plus 48 by a D. 2dx is divisible by D. So this part of the division, remainder is going to be equal to 0. So any remainder that we get is on account of dividing 48 by a D. What is the remainder? The remainder is equal to 11. The question that we need to ask is, what number when it divides 48 is going to give you a remainder of 11? Very obvious, that number has to be a 37. So 37 is the divisor of this division. We'll quickly capture this in a printed form. Decoding this, twice the original number is 2A. 2A is divided by D. We know A is equal to dx plus 24. Therefore, 2A is going to be twice this value, which is 2dx plus 48. 2dx plus 48 when divided by D, the remainder is 11, is what statement 2 says. 2dx is divisible by D. So therefore, you are going to have no remainder. The remainder is going to be equal to 0. So what we obviously know is this 11 as a remainder is on account of dividing this 48 by a D. The key question to ask is, what number when it divides 48 is going to leave you a remainder of 11? That number is 37. Choice D is the correct answer to the question.